What's up? What is your girl Nisha and welcome back to another vlog on Sheesh Niche TV. So today is Wednesday, August 21st. It is currently 5 a.m. and we are going to Hurricane Harbor. I'm a little annoyed because it's only supposed to be like 70 something degrees today. Like, why is it supposed to be 70 something degrees today and it's August 21st? I'm annoyed because I get cold very easily. If you know me, then you know that. But we still outside. I'm just praying that we don't get sick. We're going to have to take some ginger shots when we come back. Because me and my boyfriend are going to Antigua next week. And I would hate for myself or for my kids or for my boyfriend to get sick before we left. Yeah, we're going to do our best to stay warm. I was going to say stay dry, but like we're going to be in a water park. Let's be for real. But yeah, y'all, it's 5 a.m. I'm about to go hop in the shower, and then after I get out the shower, I gotta wake the girls up. I made them shower last night so that it won't be a madhouse in the morning. Trying to get them showered and dressed. If you have kids, then you know what the fuck I'm talking about. I'm gonna get them up, make sure they have some breakfast. We have to be out this house by 6:30 a.m. to get to the Bronx on time. So I can't promise that I'm gonna catch everything in between before we walk out this house on video, but I'm gonna do my best. Okay, y'all, we made it out the house. Made it out the house. We are on our way to get breakfast.
All right, can I do my YouTube?
And then we are going to Prince's house. These two are excited about that.
Yeah, because we've never been there. That's our first time here.
We outside today. We outside today?
Yeah. Yes, but wait. If you're not subscribed to her YouTube, go subscribe right now because she's on the road to 2K. And make sure you follow her Instagram and her TikTok. Her YouTube is Sheesh TV. And make sure y'all go follow her Instagram at Niche.Simpson. You cannot talk. And then her TikTok is twerkdon.
Okay, so we're gonna give her some breakfast and then we're gonna hop on that good old train to the Bronx. So we made it to the Bronx. We're walking up hills and valleys to get to Prince's house.
Yeah, we only about to have mad fun.
We're about to have mad fun.
I'm winning everybody. I'm winning you too, mommy.
Winning me with what?
I'm winning you. Yeah, I'm gonna make you get on the slide. Yeah, you getting on the slide, cause I'm gonna get on it. Mommy, I'm gonna get on it. Last time we went to a water park, you was being scary and you want to go on the slide.
Last time we went to a water park, you were like 4.
Okay, I don't care, but you still being scary. You didn't want to go on the ride. But anyways, you're going on the slide, cause I'm going on the slide, and I'm afraid of water, so you're going too. Yeah, exactly.
Well,
I'm gonna teach you how to swim today, okay?
Well, we were at Prince's house waiting for Nika. Mariah was finishing up breakfast while me and Jada were recording TikToks in Prince's living room. LOL. Nika came and scooped us, and we made our way to Nisa's house to meet everyone else.
Yeah, I'm really live in concert. I'm not going to work today. yo, make we get this right. Yo, hey, see them.
I'm not going to work today, you understand? All time, we're not going to work today.
We're not going to work.
What's up with it? It's your girl Nisha here. Let's work on a NYC. I already know I'm coming when I'm coming. Shimmy, don't hate. Like, yeah. That's what y'all supposed to be running.
Let's make sure we're making it look big in that shirt. Oh my God, yeah, man, you don't know shit, you know, man. I one hand is stretched. That is it.
Everybody get just spin around front camera, where's Paul? Catch your beer.
Alright, so boom. Everybody hopped in their designated vehicles. I rode with Prince and Nika. Meanwhile, in Nisa's car, these kids were knocked out.
My mom.
All right, let me get out, man.
You see her every day. I've never seen her in in 2 years or 3.
Yo, Nisa. All right, y'all, we are here. It is currently 74 degrees. It's cold. Look at me. I got on a sweater. It's cold.
Yo.
But we're here. But we're here.
Quick group pic.
Okay. Go ahead, touch it. Get your body acclimated. Because it's cold.
I need to take off my socks.
Wait, this is not the water park for real, y'all, though. Come on.
It's like the lazy river. It's like the lazy river.
It's so clear.
You are my dancing queen.
Only 17. Yeah, that's fine. I'm screaming. Okay, I don't know where we're going first, guys. Oh, the first place is the bathroom.
And then the
That's
lazy
the first
river,
part.
and then the blue and yellow slide.
I couldn't bring my phone, but we just went on that one over there. And I went on the dark one, the purple one. It was nice. It was a little scary though, for me personally. Youngster. A gangster. How you feeling?
No, she can't throw up no signs around here after that. That's an embarrassment. Get out, go.
It says tornado, bro. It's going like this. Off like this.
I'm scared. What if I fall off?
Wait, hold on. Wait, let's see if you tall enough. All right. Let me see.
They're tall enough. They're tall enough.
Let me see you. Look at Jesse's face. What's up, guys? I've had my phone in my bag for most of the time, but I'm about to show y'all these videos that everybody else got.
Hold on, I eat this, you know. Yeah, man, I eat this, man. Ja. Yeah, man, you know, boil up, man. If you don't boil already. Yeah! As a bullet.
I wonder.
You must start clad, you know. Boom, clad. OG, one OG, no? Boom, clad. Boom, clad. All them OG, some blood clad.
It's still like trying.
How you feeling? Come on, interviews. Excuse me. How you feeling? I'm really. Yeah, because I'm not getting on that. They went on the one that's in the middle. If you thought I was getting on that, you don't know me that well. Keeks, you said no? Babe, you're not gonna do that one? Oh. Y'all think he was telling the truth, or y'all think he was capping because he was scared? Let me know in the comments. All in all, the trip was fun, and as my sis Nika said, the trip made it out of the group chat. The girls were a little upset because they didn't get to go on the lazy river, but we could save that for another trip. After, we went and got some food, and then we all split up, went in our designated cars once again to make our way home. And as you can see, the girls truly enjoyed themselves. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Y'all already know how I'm coming when I'm coming. It's Sheesh Niche. Until next time.